Magic Ray's brand new product, an automated X-ray inline inspection machine, is extremely fast, highly efficient, and extraordinarily safe. It is suitable for the inline and non-destructive inspection of SMT, DIP, and semiconductor IGBT components. The equipment utilizes X-ray technology to carry out the inspection of the internal elements of components of various packages. Additionally, it can monitor and analyze the welding quality of concealed solder joints. Our AXI machine features a highly reliable hardware construction. The linear motor dual-drive motion control system ensures a high level of movement precision. All core algorithms are developed entirely by Magic Ray's R&D team. The AXI applies a high-speed dynamic image-taking method and multi-angle projection reconstruction technology. The maximum detection speed reaches 1.7 seconds per FOV. This way, the internal structure of the component is clearly visible. During the inspection process, the machine can automatically adjust image resolution and the number of projected images. Our BGA void volume rate algorithm ensures detection precision. PTH component fill rate is automatically calculated layer by layer, resulting in more accurate and reliable inspection results. Grayscale diagrams perfectly detect IC pins. Both the programming and repair stations feature a 3-view interface, which improves programming accuracy and makes diagnosing defects more intuitive. Magic Ray has also developed a proprietary 3D visualization capability, which analyzes components in 3 dimensions. Our AXI machine provides for the safety of equipment operators, the site environment, and radiation-sensitive components. Its radiation leakage standard is less than 0.5 microsieverts per hour, which is stricter than the international standard. Fast, efficient, and safe, Magic Ray's Inline 3D AXI is on the market now. Magic Ray Technology.